Hi, what's up everyone, and welcome back to Slots and All. Today we are on Supabets, and I finally managed to find this game. Thank you for your comments and in telling me where to find it. Managed to do it after all. And as I generally like the big bass games, as I'm sure you all are well aware already, I'm gonna try a dedicated video on this one. So we've got 500 in the balance. I've got the bet on 480. We're gonna try and spin into a bonus. Now generally big bass games are quite easy to spin in, so I'm gonna play without the double chance and let's see what happens. And yes, my apologies, I haven't recorded in a minute. It is the festive season and I haven't been doing much gambling, spending the time with my family. Next couple of days might be different though, as my son has a friend over and they are entertaining themselves. So far, catchy tune. Hopefully it's not copyrighted, hopefully it's from the same providers as the other big bass games. Hey, and we're in! That didn't even take very long. Okay, like that. Look out for the max win fish. Okay. I didn't even check what the max win on this one is. Sorry for doing this, guys. I just want to check here quickly. 4,000 eggs. Okay. It's a bit lower than the other big basses, but 4,000 X on a 480 bet is still a quite nice big win. Hello. Seems very hard to get fishermen still. One spin, can we get a double in the last spin? Probably very unlikely. Yeah, very unlikely. But okay, it didn't take us long to get that one, and that actually takes us into profit. So I can't complain about it. Hello? Was it bigger bass that paid you the actual fish amounts if you get a 5 line? I think so. I wonder if this one's the same. Surely it must be. 30 spins down, we've had one bonus. Hopefully we can get into another one. And not blow the whole balance, so we can at least either try a bonus buy or maybe a couple of double chance spins. See if it works any better. Although we got that bonus like in 20 odd spins. So I don't know if double chance is going to help you get it any sooner than that. You might have a better chance to get more than 3 scatters though if you have that double chance on. Okay, get us in again. Ah, not this time. I have to add though, I haven't seen the max win fish yet. But obviously it must be very rare, so... Come on, get us in once more. I just want to check the lines in this game as well. Get us in. And up, okay. Oh, we had 2 chances and nothing. So it only has 2 more lines than a normal big bass. Oh, that was almost a full line. Would love to see what happens when you get a full line. Get us in. I don't think this is gonna hit. I feel like usually with this kind of game, if you don't at least see it flashing in the last row, you're not gonna get it. At least it's Christmas themed, so it kind of fits in with the season. Ten spins remaining. Starting to look like we won't get in again. Yeah. Should I do a low bonus buy? Or should I just try the double chance? Let's try some double chance spins. 486. It's obviously a total, overall a lower bet, but about the same with the double chance on. Well, I don't think we're going to make it through 100, but let's put 100 on and see what happens. Where's the extra scatters? It seems to me like there's less scatters now. Oh, I saw them flash there. I thought they're gonna come back there. Again, almost a full line. Okay, I saw goldfish flash there. So they are there. Come on, get us in. I just saw a goldfish go past again. Right at the end there. Thirty spins down, still no feature. Come on, get us in once. Show us what the double chance is for. Yeah, I don't know about this double chance. I don't know about the double chance. That golden fish just flashed there at the end again. I don't want to see it now though, I want to see it in the spins. In the free spins, come on. Get us in now. Lots of teasers but no action. Well, that could have been a full line as well. We are starting to see more scatters. Okay, hello. What are we paying double chance for? Okay, we're definitely not making it through 100 spins. Looks like we'll make it through about 90-ish. Maybe a bit less. Trigger, man. Okay, we are not gonna make it. Yeah, no, that's it. We got through like 88 spins or something. Yeah. Is the double chance worth it? I don't think so. This is the type of game I think you would rather play without double chance. Video is a bit short, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna re-depot, and then we'll try another game.
A few moments later.
Okay. While looking for this game, I did see another game I want to try. What was it again? Voodoo Magic, there we go. Oh, and by the way, guys, I did not forget about the full screen. Unfortunately, I forgot to set up a full screen view for this site. So, but I mean, it does show bigger here than on the other sites, so I'm sure it will be fine. Okay, let me just do this quickly before we start. Let's just do 3 and 4. Okay. 3 different free spins. Where's the max win? Huh? Okay. We'll just see. Not like I expect to win a max win anyways. Let's go for... let's go... What's the lowest we can go? Okay, we can go pretty low. So let's go for 100 spins on a 4-rand bet. And if we do not trigger a feature, then we should be able to buy at least a low stake feature. Let's go for it. So we need the bonus symbols in the middle 3 reels. There's one. I'm not sure how hard it is to actually trigger this feature, but we will find out. It has no double chance, so hopefully it won't be too hard. It also seems that the buy feature is only like 80x. Come on. Get us in so we can see it. Come on. Did it. Ah, it went past. I saw it go past. Man. Pick a patient, okay? What does that mean? Okay. Now, how do you trigger? Is that just a random thing? Or maybe it happens when you hit the 2 bonus symbols and you don't get the 3rd, something like that. Well, it's maintaining okay. We've played like 25 spins, which should be $100, and we've only lost like, come on, get us in. It's a lot of them, just get us in. We're in. About 25 spins, 26 spins to get in. Let's see what this bonus is about. Okay, so now one of these could be a good bonus and one of them could be a bad bonus. Let's go for left. I like left. Oh, it's super voodoo free spins. That's a good one. That's a good one, I think. This is not the best bonus you can get, but this one should be not too bad, I think. We needed 9s in the first row there. I think your best outcome here will be to get those mystery symbols full screen, and hope it changes into like either wilds or a premium. Why do we get 5? Oh, it probably has a minimum win amount. And seeing as we haven't reached it, we get to go again. Stop. Oh, come on. Okay, make it this guy at least. No. Come on. Pull this row up as well. No. Did we make the minimum? No, we didn't. Nice. I wonder what the minimum is. Oh, come on. Pull up the screen. Pull up the screen. Wilds would have been good too. Crocodile would be good. Okay. Surely we've made the minimum amount by now. Oh well, there's only one way to find out. Give us the mysteries. Okay, more mysteries here, more mysteries here. There's those wilds. Okay, make it crocodiles. Okay. Okay, mysteries. Lots of mysteries. No, okay, we've got one. More mysteries. Where's all the mysteries now? Okay, make it that tiger thingy. Okay. Yeah, that was probably the best outcome for that one. Okay. Not too bad, 50x on a spun-in bonus. That takes us into a bit of profit, so not bad at all. Let's see if we can spin in another one. Come on, get it in. Ah, it went fast. Do we get that stuff? Oh, we do. Okay, let's go for right this time. Fortune X, what's that? It keeps removing the non-premium and gives you only premiums. That's a nice feature. I like that one. Oh well, mini feature. I like that one. Nice mini feature. We are actually in profit for this game. Not for the video, but for this game so far we are. Not bad, I like this game. Oh yes, I wanted to check something. So we had the second best bonus. This one. Okay, so you've got a guaranteed win of 25x. The lower one, you've got a guaranteed win of 10x. And in the Mega Voodoo's free spins, you have a guaranteed payout of 50x, and there's no non-premiums on the board. That could be interesting. Okay, okay. Come on, get us into another one. Let's see if we can get that mega free spins. Does that not do that now? So it seems like it's every time you hit the first one and the second one and you miss out on the third one, then she does that random mix or whatever. Anyways, guys, let me know in the comments what do you guys think of this game, and in fact the previous one, the Big Bass. Yeah, now the bonuses have dried out. They've been deleted. Oh, come on. Just give us that too at least so we get that other mini feature thingy. Come on, middle one missing again. Come on, get us a little some and some. Oh, where's the premiums in the first row? Where's the premiums in the first reel? Man, it's nice to see that you can get so many wilds in the base game though. Okay, okay. Base game seems to be okay for this game. Come on, just get us in once more. Okay, no luck getting in there again. I almost want to do it again. But you know what, let's rather go for a bonus buy, see what happens. Come on, give us the mega spins. See now, if I go left again, I won't be able to get a super bonus again. But if I change, I don't know. I'm going left again. Mega, please. Oh well, we got super again. Is it random? Now I'm wondering if it is really random. Maybe I'm just picking the wrong one. Because both times they were in exactly the same spots. Oh, not looking good so far. Okay, we're definitely not making the minimum win requirement here. Okay, let's go, let's go. Come on, full screen mysteries, full screen mysteries. Yes, come on. Okay. I think that gives us the minimum win, so our spins will be over after this. Give us more mysteries. Yes, more mysteries. Come on, more mysteries. No, don't let it go past. Okay, make it the crocodile. No. Okay, okay. We got about half our money back. Just spin once. I'm gonna do a low bet one just to check it out. If they are in the same place again. So I'm gonna go for the middle because the mega bonus was in the middle every time. Ah, we got the super again. Okay, so it is random. If I went left again, I would have now had the mega bonus. Okay, so it is completely random. More wilds. Okay. Mysteries or wilds. Nice. No more mysteries or wilds here. No. So minimum win on this bet now to 25x, so it will be what, 40 bucks. Make it that skull and it's good. No. Come on, more mysteries, more mysteries. All wilds will do. Ah, mysteries or wilds, mysteries or wilds. Okay, mysteries or wilds. Okay, that's a premium, could be good. No, it's aces. Okay, we didn't make the minimum guarantee, minimum win amount. Come on, just give us the full screen of this now. Oh, yes, come on, another one, another one. Come on, come on. Wilds, wilds is good. Mystery or wild, mystery or wild, mystery or wild, mystery or wild. No. Okay, we are very close to our minimum win amount, so we probably won't get it again. Yep, there we go, over the minimum win amount. Okay, okay. But not a bad game. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about this game. I'm gonna call the video here. We're just past 30 minutes. So yeah, I think it's a right game. I would definitely try to play it again. But maybe spinning it in is the way to go instead of buying the bonuses. But I'll test that out next time. Anyways, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. If this is your first time watching, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell to be notified of future videos, and I will see you in the next one.